Welcome back. Today we're solving problem 1. How many solutions does negative 3 times the quantity x minus 2 plus 5 equals negative 3x plus 11 have? First things first, we need to simplify both sides. Now, if they become the same expression, then there's infinitely many solutions. If the constants remain, then there's no solution. I'm talking about if different constants remain. And of course, there's one solution. All right, so we're checking to see if this equation is representative of infinitely many solutions, no solution, or one solution. So with that, let's go ahead and begin by rewriting the equation. We have negative 3 times the quantity x minus 2 plus 5 equals negative 3x plus 11. What we need to do first is distribute this negative 3 to each term within the parentheses. And we know that negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Next, we're going to distribute the negative 3 to the negative 2. And when we multiply negative 3 times negative 2, we have positive 6. And then we're going to bring down the positive 5. And this is equal to negative 3x plus 11. Of course, we need to simplify the left side further. As you can see here, we have negative 3x and plus 6 plus 5 equals positive 11. That equals negative 3x plus 11. So what do you notice here? Both sides are exactly the same. So true or false, no matter what value of x I plug in, the two sides will always be equal. Is that a true or false statement? Well, it's true because that's what makes this an identity. But let's go ahead further and eliminate like terms. We see that we have negative 3x on both sides, so we can add 3x to both sides. Okay, and we know that they cancel out. And we're left with 11 equals 11, correct? So this is a true statement and it doesn't depend on x, right? So what I want to say is this. Since the simplified equation is always true, this means the solution set is all real numbers. And that's what we sometimes describe as infinitely many solutions. So the final answer here is infinitely many solutions. All right, so great job. I want you to remember if variables cancel and you get a true statement like 11 equals 11, it's an identity. And that's just saying that the solution is all real numbers. Now, if variables cancel and you get something false, like let's say 11 equals 7, well, that's considered no solution, right? Because 11 will never equal 7. In problem 2, we'll explore a system of equations and figure out when it has no solution.